So number one on the 10 things you might not know from a standard electrical outlet is what this little tab does between the two screw terminals. So it really doesn't matter what brand or type you have. Here are 3 examples. With an Eaton residential grade has a tab, Eaton industrial grade has a much larger tab, and then a Hubbell commercial grade with the tab on the reverse side. Now what that tab does is if you removed it from the hot and neutral side of your outlet, you then would separate the top receptacle from the bottom receptacle, and now they can work independent of each other, and this is often called a switched outlet. You actually might have had these in a house or an apartment you lived in over the year where you had a bedroom or a living room that had no ceiling lights, it was super dark, and you had a light switch on the wall that seemed to not do anything. Well, that light switch might have actually controlled the top or bottom receptacle on all of the outlets within the room. This is much more common in little older homes. In my area, ranch style homes built in the 1950s or 60s, it was pretty common for the living room and possibly even the bedrooms not to have ceiling lights, but they had switched outlets that you could plug lamps into. But associated to this, it's also very common, and I have purchased many homes in the past where somebody updated the outlets. It was a room that was supposed to have switched outlets. It had a switch on the wall, but they just replaced the outlet without removing the tab. So now all the outlets are powered all the time and the light switch literally doesn't do anything. So maybe something to look out for if you have that issue.
Give me some feedback down in the comments. Did you already know about that tab and what it did, or is this new information to you? Now, if you want to dive deeper on 9 additional things that you probably don't know about a common electrical outlet, check out this video right here and we'll walk through the entire top 10. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.